panda ever seen. Tiny paws and fluffy ears, a happy baby full of cheers. Peekaboo, Mama would say as little Pippi laughed all day. Warm cuddles, sleepy eyes so bright, snuggled close every night. Plato's panda, panda, munch and play. Happy, happy every day. Stretch up high, then roll around. The cutest bear that's ever found. Morning sunshine, birds all sing. Wake up, panda, it's a lovely spring. Stretch so big, yawn so wide. Let's find bamboo by the riverside.
Crunch, crunch, munch, munch.
Bamboo is panda's favorite lunch. Fresh, green shoots both day and night. Chewing them is pure delight. After breakfast comes the fun, rolling in the morning sun. Climbing trees not very fast, sliding down with laughs that last. Splashing in the little stream, floating where the fishes gleam. Butterflies dance left and right, everything feels warm and bright. Pandas love a cozy rest, afternoon naps are simply best. Curled up softly, snug and tight, dreaming till the golden light. Shh, the forest whispers low, gentle breezes softly blow. Sleeping sweetly, safe and sound, peaceful dreams all around. Day by day our panda grew, strong and healthy through and through. Still loved bamboo every day, still loved laughing while at play. Helping younger pandas learn, showing where the bamboo grows in turn. Kind and gentle, brave and wise, sparkling joy in friendly eyes. Years went by so calm and slow, silver moon and soft winds blow. Grandpa Panda smiled with pride, little pandas by his side. He told stories every night, under twinkling stars so bright. Be kind, be gentle, share with all. Love grows big though you're still
And in the heart of the
small.
glowing forest, the little
He
panda
comes panda, panda, munch and play. Smile with friends throughout the day. From baby cub to old and wise, love shines bright in panda's eyes. Crunch, crunch, roll, roll, nap, nap, hug, hug. Good night, panda. Sweet dreams.